Good morning, students. Last day I had explained you about don't quit and told you that we should never quit or never give up in any circumstances. You can see here a great message is hidden inside these two words. If we remove NT from don't and QU from quit, then it becomes do it. And we should always do our best to achieve our goal. Now, one story is here based on this. The hope that, the rope that inspired. Many years ago, there had a king named Hemraj, and he had only one son whose name was Vardraj. He wanted his son to become exceptionally brilliant in all manners, that is, in matter of state, politics, archery, hunting, sculpture, etc. He wanted him to become unparalleled in his abilities. So Hemraj sent his son Vardraj to a Gurukul outside his kingdom and told the gurus to teach him, which was run by a very famous saint. And along with many other disciples, Vardraj started gathering education from the Guru. As the time passed, the Guru realized that Vardraj was a slow learner. He took a large time he took more time to learn something. Whatever was taught, he understood it with a great difficulty. So Vardraj took a few days to complete what others completed in one day. That means he was a slow learner. He took much time to complete his work. Gradually, Vardraj started lagging behind in every activities. So the Guru advised him that and told him that you are very slow and not doing well, so you should go back to your kingdom. The words of the Guru hurt Vardraj. He decided to go back and lost in his thoughts, Vardraj reached a well. He stopped there to drink some water. What he saw there? He saw that the wall of the well had a strange mark. Some strange mark was there on the wall of the well. On looking closely, he realized that the strange mark was caused due to the constant rubbing of the thin rope on the wall. Then he sat there and thought, if a thin rope can make such a deep impression on the brick wall, then why can't I learn my lesson well? Vardraj decided not to give up. With a new determination, he went back towards the Gurukul. This inspired him and he went back towards the Gurukul. He requested the Gurus to give him one more chance. The Guru agreed to his request and gave him one time time of 2 weeks to learn the same. With strong will and determination, Vardraj started working hard at studies. He concentrated and he focused to his lesson and learned them quite quickly. Very soon, he became one of the best student of the Gurukul. The Guru was also praised him for his commitment, and in this way he achieved what he wanted. So he tried his level best to achieve his commitment. After growing up, he became the first sent to work on Panani's Sanskrit grammar and wrote help guide in Sanskrit for the weak students. So, what do we understand by the story? That success is like the summit of a high mountain. It is visible, but for reaching there, you need to cover a distance. It seems that it is very close, but to achieve it, we need a great determination, great commitment, and willpower. Here, we must have confidence on ourselves, never become hopeless. Instead of quitting, keep struggling, and one day you will reach your goal. You will achieve your success and you will become a successful person.